kids, welcome back my channel Learning Tutor. In the previous class, you had already learned addition of two-digit numbers. Today, you will do subtraction of two-digit numbers of class 1 math chapter 16. You must see this video completely without any skip. Okay, now let us start. You will must remember that two-digit subtraction will must start from right side or ones place and end left side or tens place. Okay. In this sum, here ones place 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4 and tens place 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Now see all of you. Here one number, ones place 8 by 3. You will must remember that you will start the sums right sides or ones place, then tens place. If you start tens place or left side, it is wrong. Here ones place 8 minus 3. You will draw standing lines beside the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross out 3 of them. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 3, 5. Next, tens place 3 by 2. 3 minus 2. 1, 2, 3. Cross out 2. Remaining standing lines 1. So 38 minus 23, answer 15. After completing the sum, you will must erase the standing lines. Okay. Next, number 2. Ones plus tens plus 50 minus 20. 0 minus 0, you know 0. Here 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross out two of them. How many are left? 3. So 50 minus 20, answer will be 30. Next, number 3. (32) minus 1. Here ones place. Now see, 2 minus 1. But tens place only 3. Here is nothing. Nothing means 0. Nothing means 0. So 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 0, you know, 3. Next, number 4. 36 minus 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross out 2 of them. 4. 1, 2, 3. Cross out 2 of them. 1. So 36 minus 22, answer 14. After completing the sum, you will must erase these standing lines. Okay. Next, number 5. 47 minus 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining standing lines are 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross out 2 of them. 2. Next, number 6. 31 by 21. Now see 1 by 1. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. Next, number 7. 46 minus 13. You will draw standing line beside the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross out 3 of them. How many are left? 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross out 1 of them. 3. Next 8. 49 by 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Remaining 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross out 3 of them. 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross out 3 of them. So how many are left? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross out 2 of them. Here 3. Here now see 1's place 4 by 2, 10's place only 4. Nothing means 0. 2, 4 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Here 4 minus 0, 4. Okay. In the previous day, I had given you 2 homework sheets. These answers are. Now all of you check it. Now it is your subtraction homework sheet. First you will copy the questions in your math copy, then do it. Okay. Now today up to this much. Meet all of you in the next class. Take care yourself. Tata. Bye bye. Okay.